Has your iPhone been raining lately? Here's 3 ways to check why and how to fix this problem immediately. First up, if you're updated to the 16.5 version of iOS, then this may be one reason why it is holding back on your battery. This usually happens normally with any iOS updates because the phone is adapting to the new bug fixes and improvements to the device. But if your device is still stuttering or lagging or even heating up and raining faster, then you might want to check your battery health. Just jump in your settings, go to battery and check your battery health. Maybe your battery health is below 95% or at a very bad state. That must be another reason for why it is draining your battery this fast. If this is also not an issue and your battery is still draining, then here's a way to optimize your battery. Is to not charge your phone more than 98% and do not allow your phone to drain to zero. If you can maintain your charge completely within this range, the chances of extending battery life and having a healthier battery is high. I hope you find this useful. Give a thumbs up if you like this. See you on the next one.